Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to turn off read receipts on Group Messenger. If you've ever wanted to check your messages without others knowing you've seen them, this quick guide is exactly what you need. By the end, you'll know how to keep your activity a little more private while still using Messenger to stay connected. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and on the main chat screen where all your conversations are listed. Now, find the group where you want to turn off read receipts. Tap on that group to open the chat. Once you're in, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see the group's name or a group picture. Tap on it. This will take you into the group settings menu where you can adjust different features specific to that chat. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Read Receipts. This setting controls whether or not other members of the group can see when you viewed their messages. Now tap on Show Read Receipts. You'll see a small switch or toggle button next to it. Simply tap the switch to turn it off. When it's off, Messenger will stop sending the read indication to the group, meaning others won't be able to tell when you've opened a message. And that's it. You've successfully turned off read receipts for that group. If you ever change your mind, you can follow these exact same steps and toggle the feature back on. A quick note. This setting applies only to the specific group you've chosen. If you want to hide read receipts in other group chats, just repeat these steps for each one. Now that you know how, you can browse your group messages freely without feeling like you need to respond right away. It's a simple change that gives you a bit more control over your privacy and how you interact online. Thanks for watching.